Hello my friends, and welcome back to my caliente kitchen. I can't wait to show you these recipes today. Well, it's summertime, and of course we want recipes that cool us down, right? I mean, we want recipes too that we don't have to use our stove and oven. So I have these recipes for you. Summertime tapas. Whoa, very good tapas. So I have partnered with the National Dairy Council to share with you today these 3 delicious tapas ideas that use dairy. Now we're gonna make today a refreshing gazpacho, kefir hummus, and a delicious potato salad with yogurt cilantro dressing. You are gonna simply love them. Well, as a registered dietitian, I'm always encouraging people, and I recommend to eat more plants. Plants like fruits and vegetables, for example. And of course, I always love to pair plants with dairy. Why? Because if you only eat plants, you may not get enough of 3 essential nutrients that dairy provide: milk, cheese, and yogurt. What are those 3 essential nutrients? Well, high quality protein, B12, and calcium. So by pairing now plants and dairy, you get the whole spectrum of nutrients. I love that. All right, are you ready for the tapas? Because I can't wait to show you these. Well, we're gonna start with hummus. Now, hummus normally is not made with kefir. So I made this kefir hummus. Now, what is kefir? Kefir is a fermented drink made out of cow's milk. Now, why I love kefir? Because it has probiotics. And hummus, obviously, because of the garbanzo beans, it has good fiber, also known as prebiotic. So this hummus can help with our gut health. Very simple to make. So what you do is you get garbanzo beans. So I have a sample here. Garbanzo beans, and this is kefir. Kefir is the fermented drink I was telling you. It's like a liquid yogurt, very known in the Middle East and also in the Mediterranean countries. And yeah, it looks like milk. It's liquid yogurt. It's fermented, therefore it has probiotics. So pretty much you just mix the garbanzo beans with kefir, lemon juice, and that's it, in a food processor with some spices. The recipe card is showing you right there. Now, but we're talking tapas, so this is not tapas serving sizes. So how you serve it, you are going to, I'm going to show you this here right now. You're going to, do a veggie on the side, little hummus, little bowls with hummus, the kefir hummus, maybe some whole grain crackers, and this is a beautiful tapa setting for your next family party. I know we're staying at home right now, but that's okay. You still can have fun with these tapas with your family and involve your children, because they're gonna love to have these different pairings and also how to serve these tapas. All right, the next recipe I'm going to show you now is going to be a refreshing gazpacho. Let me put that back in there now. Now, for this refreshing gazpacho, I'm gonna go into the blender here. And I like to make it with canned tomatoes. All right, very easy. And then we're going to actually add bell pepper. This is a red bell pepper, celeries and carrot, basil. And lastly, we're gonna actually add, actually it says ricotta cheese, because it gives this beautiful texture and add some good protein to this actually gazpacho. Gazpacho is a room temperature soup. And then lastly, we're gonna add whole milk. You can use any other type of milk. I like to use whole milk. And by the way, if you're lactose intolerant, by the way, not all dairy is created equal with lactose content. So, for example, I buy also lactose-free milk, which is great, and it has good nutrition as well. It's real milk, and now you can enjoy this refreshing gazpacho as well. All right, so, and then we're gonna just blend this. Now, I like my gazpachos a bit chunky because they're, I'm gonna eat them with my spoons, or you're gonna drink out of a little glasses. So I'm gonna give you the idea of how to serve them for the tapa parties that you're gonna have. So we're gonna just serve in little servings here like that. There you go. Very good. Wow, this is so good. I made this last week and yesterday too because I love this gazpacho. And you're getting good plants, vegetables, and dairy with good high quality protein. And remember, you can use lactose-free milk as an option if you experience lactose intolerance. All right, so now we have our little gazpachos here on the side. The next recipe we're gonna make is our potato salad. Because I'm Peruvian, we love potatoes. Peruvian is potato country, and I like these tricolor potatoes. I'm gonna put that there. So these are, I boiled tricolor potatoes. I'm gonna put them in here now. Love potato salad, and what summer doesn't have potato salad? So now I have some Peruvian things in here. So we have some green onions and celery. And then we're gonna add red onion, of course. I love red onion. And then, by the way, I made this dressing with yogurt. I use 2% yogurt and a little olive oil and cilantro, salt, pepper to taste, lemon juice, fabulous dressing. This also can be used for any other salad, or it can be also used as a dip with vegetables, which is great. So we're gonna pour the whole thing in here because that's what I'm making. And then, of course, we're gonna mix things well. And then look at that, this looks delicious. It is actually one of my favorite salads, potato salads that I have ever made. This recipe comes from even one of my first books, Peruvian Power Foods, using tricolor potatoes. All right, so now since we're doing a tapa party, we're going to then serve them on little plates. And then we go and serve a little bit of potato salad on top on each of these. And now you have your tapa there with the potatoes, your Peruvian style with yogurt, cilantro dressing. Very, very good. Now, of course, what tapa party will not have cheese, grapes, olives, nuts? You can do little platters as well. Like in this one here that I have, I put a little bit of cheese, grapes, olives, and whole grain crackers. Really good stuff. I love this stuff. I'm telling you, I can have fun with food all the time. All right, so also you should know that growing body of research is linking now the reduction of risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, also improves on bone health, regardless of the fat content in dairy for milk, cheese, or yogurt. So that's actually great news. All right, so now let's do the tasting because I can't wait to do that. So I'm gonna have a little bit of my gazpacho first. So good. Love this. Refreshing, actually. All right, now I'm gonna cut a little bit of my potato here. Whoop. Because I don't want to put the whole thing. It's just a little bite. Wow. Again, this is one of my favorites. And then, of course, let's try some little carrot with hummus now. I mean, seriously, you can have fun with these tapas. They're so easy to make. Have fun serving them and have a group, family, tapa party at your patio, backyard, pool parties, whatever you do. But these are great summer tapas for you. Now, if you want more information about dairy, visit usdairy.com. And of course, as you know, I am in social media in both languages, English and Spanish, on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, of course. And if you want to learn more about me and what I do, visit Villacorta.com. Now, if you are on YouTube watching me now, hit the subscribe button. If you're on Facebook, like this post, share the Tapa love, and I hope you have enjoyed today's caliente topic. And until next time, my friends, bye bye.